I'm on my way to York today to see PBH. I'm gonna have a night out, a BCM themed night, and I might have some company, so yeah. Give me 2 seconds. What's up? You good?
It's good. 4-hour drive. Glasgow, York, Harrogate.
Let's do it.
Nothing is sacred, nothing is set in stone, nothing is precious, you can't let it go. You gotta love it, you gotta light the fire, turning the ashes into solid gold. It's hard to live a life when you've seen the light, when you've seen the light. When did we get so tired? How did it take so long? Tell me why my heart is bruised and so confused. It feels so wrong. Where do we belong? When did we get so scared of losing? Just light the fuse and light us up. Take us to higher ground. Don't let our love fall down. Light us up. Take all our darkest days. Throw all our dirt away and light us up.
So we have made it to York after a couple of hours driving.
Finally.
Finally. I mean, I was driving before and I ended up in the middle of York at the cathedral. Nowhere to turn. Everyone was surrounding my car.
Complete nightmare.
Get to the lights at the end, turn left. 2 or 3 streets on your left, look out for Mary Gate.
Yeah. But it's about 23 degrees. It's beautiful out here. So the next place on our sightseeing day is
Yorkshire Cathedral.
So we found a bar, got my beer outside, and this guy orders a pint
Pint of vodka.
a pint of water with his beer. I mean, he's not even driving. Cheers
Only the best for the best.
to York. So we have found the one and only PBH. What's up? We're off for dinner and yeah, get ready for tonight.
Are you enjoying York?
Love it.
Spark now.
Brand new, just opened yesterday apparently. You hungry?
Starving, man, starving.
My name's Sebastiano Hopkinsano, and I'm my friend and the man who's introduced this man to this beer. We have had a right time so far.
Oh yeah. It's Copperberg, but beer with lemon and lime.
You don't get bent. So, they're going out, we're staying in. Nice to meet them.
Nice to meet you. Cheers.
Right guys, it's bank holiday weekend, we're nearly halfway through it, it's a busy one. I was in Hull last night. Tonight, Dan's here.
Yep.
Michael's here. Whoop! He's there, he's definitely there.
He's over here, yeah.
Definitely.
And right now, we're off to Harrogate.
Yeah.
Shit. Harrogate.
Moko.
Let's go.
Inside of me, give me what I'm missing, baby. Give me what I need. I want that good love freaking deep inside of me. And when I wake up in the morning, baby, you're the one I see. You know that good loving wakes a freak inside of me. I want that
Drink. It's like what? 5 in the morning? 6 in the morning?
It's late. Good night.
Good night. Alright, well thanks for having us.
Pleasure.
It's been a good one.
Next stop, Mallorca.
Mallorca. So that's this vlog over for York, Harrogate, PBH, BCM night out. I will see you on the next one. It'll be EDC week. I'm going this week, so you'll be seeing that very soon. See ya.